Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss network model. Network model organizes the data using graph-like structures. It allows a record to have more than one parent. Actually, in this figure we can notice that the student node has two parent nodes, department node and infrastructure node. Actually, this model was the most popular model before the relational model was introduced. This model is very similar to the hierarchical model, but the only difference is that a record can have more than one parent. That is, this model has the ability to manage one-to-one relationships as well as one-to-many and many-to-many relationship between the entities. Since there are more relationships can be represented in this model, there can be more than one path available to access the same record. So this feature makes the data access easier and faster. For example, a student record in this figure can be accessed either through department node or infrastructure node. Let's see the advantages and disadvantages of network model. First, the advantages. This model is conceptually simple and easy to design. And this model can represent one-to-many and many-to-many relationships. And data access is easier and faster in network model as there can be more than one path is available to reach a particular node. And the next notable advantage is, as parent-child relationships can be represented in this model, data integrity is always maintained in the data stored in the database. That is, if any change is made in parent node, it is automatically reflected in the child record also. So, with this feature, data integrity is always maintained in the data stored in the database. Let's see the disadvantages. In this model, as all the records are maintained using pointers, maintaining the whole database structures become very complex. Also, insertion, deletion and updating operations of any record requires a large number of pointers to be adjusted. That's why making the structural changes in the database becomes very difficult. Viewers, in this video we have discussed about network model. If you find this video is useful to you, kindly subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.